Does your business strive to hire, develop, and motivate highly effective employees to ensure you're achieving peak performance? But how do you ensure that you select the right people and match them to the right positions to optimize productivity and avoid the expense of bad hires? Finally, there is a better way. Introducing the Chally Talent Audit. The Talent Audit is a powerful tool that provides businesses with a competency inventory by individual, team, or the entire organization. It allows managers to preview their talent base across key competencies and specific profiles and provides insight into who has potential to do what, where there are strengths and developmental opportunities, and who can make the transition to a management role. This process has been proven to substantially save in both training and development costs while reducing turnover because each individual is better aligned and developed for specific roles. In order to leverage this powerful tool, management must first have their team take the Chally online assessment. It takes about 45 minutes and collects all of the work DNA of the team. The assessment measures the team's potential against 140 competencies and key motivators. In this example of the talent audit, the team's assessment data was assembled into a report that illustrates their scoring against various competencies within different profiles. The desire is to see who out of these 12 people can make the transition from a very traditional account manager role to new business development role. The talent audit shows that of the 12 account managers assessed, 8 of them align very well with their current role, 2 align adequately to their current role, and 2 are not recommended for their current account manager role. As we look at who can make the transition from account manager to new business development, you can see that the number of people predicted to be successful in the new role is only 3. However, 7 in yellow could transition to that role with some development. Managers can expand each profile of the talent audit to view the specific competencies that are critical and predictive for success in that role. This will indicate strengths and development opportunities within those competencies. In this example, the competency scoring within the new business development profile that stands out is makes persuasive presentations. That score is below Chally's benchmark standard of 50, which indicates the team is not naturally wired to be highly effective at that competency. Training will help, but only to a certain point. Management will need to think about coaching to drive those behaviors. You also see that the Qualifies Prospects competency score is above 50. Focused coaching and development efforts will be effective because it's a natural strength. By implementing the Chally Talent Audit, businesses are able to build a competency database that can help align people to the right role, understand who has the potential or skills for that role, and focus development based on those facts. If selection and hiring is the focus, the Talent Audit can help identify specific traits and characteristics relating to onboarding and ramp-up.